guys, so I just wanted to show you guys something that I got off Amazon for a great price. It's a epoxy resin kit, and I belong to one of like those Amazon groups on Facebook. So I was like, heck yeah, when I saw it. It cost me like $20. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys what's all in it. It's got some little background stuff on the bag. I saw some pretty valuable stuff in it, so that's why I went ahead and got it. So this is this looks like it's been spilling a little bit, guys. You see that? That's what happens when you try to get a bargain. So this bottle needs to be cleaned. That is very messy. So I'm gonna clean it off or whatever. But these are two 6.9 ounce bottles that came with it. But that's not the main thing. I was getting it for this. I saw these. These need to be cleaned too. Do you see that? Oh. Okay. That's kind of what you get. This one is dirty too. I've had these cups in the past. This is like 10 cups. They are reusable. So I've had those in the past. And I got like about 3 or 4 more of these, maybe 5 more of these in the house. So I'm trying to be more economical and stop wasting so much money. It also came with some mica powder. This is like my 4th set of mica powder. And I'm not totally finished with the first mica powder that I bought. It's just that I get good deals. And so I'm like, oh, heck yeah, I'm hopping on that. So it comes with a set of instructions. Okay, so it also came with stirring sticks, which I'm trying to get away from these. I don't really care for using these in resin anymore. They create bubbles because they are porous. So I've gotten away from those, and I've started buying the silicone stirring sticks. I've also thought about taking hot glue and pouring it on to like the sticks and mixing it with that. But I use these when I'm out of my silicone stirring sticks. So they may come in handy, maybe not, but I try to limit the way I pour. All of this stuff is pretty messy. Guys, this is messy too. If you see that, you'll see all the stuff on that. I like these, more precision, to help with getting stuff in crevices. I also like this mat. So I got this mat as well. And you see stuff is spilled all over that too. And I got a ton of, well, not a ton of these, but I got some droppers. I personally have a ton of these in my office. So they're like the mini versions of these. And I got some more tweezers. This is like my 6 or 7 pair of tweezers. When I order those mini flowers, I get tweezers in there too. But this box was really messy. So I don't know if that's because I got it on a deal or what, but you guys need to handle your business and not have so much stuff waste in the bottom of your stuff. Okay, so thank you guys. I'm gonna do this scratch and win and see what I get, I guess. But that was frustrating. I got a 50% off coupon for their new product. But seriously, for next time, maybe if you put your epoxy resin or something, because I'm assuming that's what's spilled, inside of a plastic bag to keep it from spilling onto other things. If you cannot conceal it. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I only was really harping on the spill because this stuff can be toxic. So basically, I'm going to go wash my hands. And if you get something like that in the mail or you get resin on your hands, immediately wash it with alcohol and soap and water, warm soap and water. So that should help you out a lot. But thank you guys for watching.